Good morning, my dear students. Since the last few classes, we have been revising the important parts of speech, and in the last class, we started revising the part of speech which is pronouns, and we learned that pronouns are the words which are used for or in place of nouns. Then we learned the different types of pronouns, and we have got 8 types of pronouns, out of which we have already discussed the first, which is personal pronouns. And from this discussion onwards, we got to know that the pronouns which are used in place of people, animal or things, etc. are called personal pronouns. And some common personal pronouns are I, me, you, he, she, it, they, we, him, her, us, and them. Now, student, after this, today we are proceeding towards starting another types of pronoun, which is the possessive pronoun. So, student, in order to identify the possessive pronouns, here I have included a few examples. Please have a look at this. The first example is, these glasses are mine, not yours. Then, the house is yours and the ship is theirs. So, student, here let me tell you that mine, yours, and theirs, they are the pronouns. And student, you can see that these pronouns, they are showing that the certain things, certain nouns, they belong to somebody, personally. Say for example, the glasses, they belong to yours. Actually, mine is also a pronoun, but here it is not referring to the noun, it is actually referring to the second pronoun, which is yours. That in the second example, the house, it is the noun which is referring to yours, means the house belongs to yours. And the third example, the noun which is ship, it is belongs to particularly theirs, means all the pronouns yours and theirs, they are referring that something belongs to particularly to themselves. And students, this belongingness forms our second types of pronoun, which is possessive pronoun. Now student, let me show you the definition of possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. This possession means to belong to somebody particular. So student, a few commonly used possessive pronouns are mine, yours, hers, his, ours, yours, and theirs. So student, I hope that you all have understood the definition and the common possessive pronouns. Now student, let me show you another important topic relating to possessive pronoun, and that is possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Means in adjective also we have possessive category, and both are the commonly used possessive pronouns and adjectives are almost similar. That's why let me show you the difference between the two. So in order to find out, differentiate between these two, here I have included two examples. The first example is, my dress is in the cupboard. And again in number 2, the dress is mine. Here student, in both the sentences, the nouns are dress. So, and the pronoun referring to them are mine in the second sentence and my in the first sentence. Now the question is here, which one is the possessive pronoun and which one is the possessive adjective. So that's why let me first tell you the main difference between the possessive adjective pronoun. So student, possessive adjective always used with a noun and it also qualifies a noun. And possessive pronouns, it comes after a noun. So student, this in the first example, the noun that is dress, it comes with the pronoun that is my. That's why it is not a pronoun, it is a possessive adjective. But in the second example, the pronoun which is mine, it is a pronoun because it comes after the noun that is dress. That's why it is a possessive pronoun. So this is the basic difference between a possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. The possessive adjective, it comes with the noun. On the other hand, the possessive pronoun, it comes after the noun. So this is the basic difference between the two. Here I have included this. Now student, let me show you the different possessive pronouns. So let me show you the singular ones first. So the possessive adjective will be my and its possessive pronoun will be mine. Then your will be yours. Her, the possessive adjective will be possessive pronoun in terms of hers. Then his and his means his will be same in both the cases, and possessive adjective is in singular form is last one is its, but there is no possessive pronoun of its. Then let me show you the plural possessive adjectives, which are our, your and their. On the other hand, the plural possessive pronouns are ours, yours and their. So student, this is a very important table. Please note it down in your classbook copy, mentioning the topic and today's date. So student, I hope that you all have well understood the possessive pronouns and the possessive adjective also, and I hope that there is no doubt in you. But still student, if there is any kind of confusion, please let me inform in the comment section below. Now student, for your better understanding, here I have included one exercise on possessive pronoun, and the exercise is underline the correct possessive pronouns in the following sentences. You can see that here I have included 6 sentences. Let me read it out read them out. Number 1 is this yours coat? Number 2 is you can't have my or mine cookies. Number 3 is it is our or ours turn. Then number 4 is look at her or hers funny hat. Then number 5 is that ring has lost it or its shine. And the last one is this car is my or mine. So here our work is to you can see that two pronouns are given within the brackets, and we have to underline the correct pronoun out of these two. So the answer of number 1 will be, is this your coat? The number 2, you can't have my cookie. Number 3, it is ours turn. The number 4, look at her funny hat. Number 5, that ring has lost its shine. And number 6 is this car is mine. So student, these are the answers of the exercise that I have included here for your better understanding. And student, please note down this exercise in your classbook copy, including today's date, otherwise you will forget it later on. Now student, with it here we have finished our discussion on possessive pronouns. And students, you can see that after today's class we have already finished the first two types of pronouns, which are personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. And after that, from on tomorrow student, we shall start with the next pronouns, which are singular and plural. I shall do the next two pronouns together, which is singular pronouns and plural pronouns. So student, this is the end of our today's class. I hope that you all have well revised. But student, if you have any doubt, at first please look at the video that I have made on this topic earlier. And for your information, let me tell you that I have not changed the private settings of my videos. Means all, you can see all my previous videos, they are not private. I have put them unlisted for your convenience. You can refer to the earlier videos also and these videos also that I have preparing now. So in this way you will be able to clear your doubts more easily. First refer to the video that I have given earlier and also look at the videos that I am preparing now. In that way only you will be able to clear any doubts if you have. So student, with it here is the end of our today's class, and in tomorrow's class that I've already told you that I'll do the next two kinds of pronouns together. So student, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching this video.